Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have 2x divided by x and we have number 2. And this one we have 5 over x. Next, the integration of number 2, we have 2x. The integration of this one, we have 5f and x. And then we need to put about c. This is about the constant. Next, for this one, we can put like this. Now we have the formula in here. And the second one. So number 5 we go inside about natural law in here. This one, that is about this one. So this one we have x to the power of 5. Now we simplify and we have x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.